Friends, Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my video is what is face-to-face marketing. Before starting the video, I will say that please share my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start the video. What is face-to-face marketing? Unlike virtual marketing, face-to-face marketing gives customers a live experience of your brand. It's about the smile, the firm handshake, and the meaningful interaction that leaves a positive and lasting impression on them. There are countless ways to reach customers like this, from brand ambassadors and sales representatives to trade shows and exhibitions. Getting started with the face-to-face marketing. A successful face-to-face marketing requires plenty of planning and preparations. Here are 5 tips to getting started. Choose a place for its people. For your interactions to generate value for your business, you will want to have them with the right people. And for that, you will need to be in the right place, be strategic, and think about where your target audience spends their time in the social areas they frequent and the events they attend. Traditional businesses have sought to meet customers by setting up booths at trade shows and conventions. Feel free to be more creative. Take inspiration from products as sampling stands in supermarkets, fundraising street drinks outside tube stations, and a pop-ups like Amazon's resting station shop on a baker's street. Skip the hard sell tactics instead of laughing in your wall out sales pitch. Get to know the person you are speaking to. What brought them to the event? Why are they interested in your business? They might have heard about you from a friend and want to know more, or they might be an existing customer with a pain point. Taking the time to understand where they are coming from will help you determine the most relevant and meaningful direction to steer the conversation in. After all, this is not about making a quick sale, it's about building a long-term relationship. Make them feel. Several studies have shown that when is as much an emotional decision as it is a rational one. Customers are often driven to purchases by feeling of belonging, trust, happiness, and freedom. Keep a strong brand identity. If your interaction goes well, they will walk away feeling positive. Feeling positive make the most of this by ensuring that they associate this emotion with your brand. Connect with them online too before you part ways. Be sure the person knows how to reach you online. Make it personal by handing them your business card or letting them know your accounts on the social media platforms they use. It's the a final flourish to an interaction that will hopefully be the beginning of a long-term relationship.